Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned PayPal user or just getting started, this guide will have you transferring funds in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, why would you want to do this? Well, it's a quick way to move your earnings or savings into your bank for everyday use, investments, or just to keep things organized. Plus, with 2025's updates, PayPal has made the process even faster and more secure with enhanced encryption and biometric logins. Cool, right? Step 1. Make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. If you haven't already, head to the PayPal website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, look for the Wallet or Balance section. It's usually right on the homepage. Next, find the Transfer Money option. This might be under a menu like Money or Send and Transfer. Click on that, and you'll see an option to transfer to your bank account. If your bank isn't linked yet, don't worry, PayPal will guide you through adding it. You'll need your bank's routing and account numbers, so have those handy. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check it because accuracy is key. You'll also see any potential fees. Keep in mind that these can vary based on your location and bank, but in 2025, PayPal has reduced fees for instant transfers. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. Depending on your settings, you might need to verify with a code sent to your phone or email. Once that's done, sit back and relax. Transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, but with 2025's faster processing, you might see it in your bank account even quicker. Always check your PayPal activity for confirmation. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to your bank in 2025. It's simple, secure, and saves you time. If you run into any issues, PayPal's support is top-notch, or drop a comment below for tips from our community. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more finance hacks. See you next time.